So hello to everyone. I want to try to help people who can't find the app data in the in PC in the local disk. So I went to local disk. This is my user folder. This is my PC folder, and here should be the app data, but I don't see it. So to find this folder, I just went to Epic Games Launcher. After this, I clicked on Settings, here left down, and just scrolling down you will see the Show Logs. If you press this, automatically you see your logs, but we don't need the logs, we need the AppData folder. After you press local, here you must find the saver, this this folder. You press it, World War Z client, and in storage you have your saved game, but this one it's the level 1. You need your old saved game, so go to slots, open this folder and open the previous date you saved the game. So this is my previous saved game. I open this folder, I copy this. You should copy this and go back to this folder again and replace these files with the new one if you want to restore all your saved files. I hope I help some people who don't have this app data folder like me. Bye.